Welcome to our channel where we help you solve tech issues effortlessly. Today, we're diving into how to fix a disabled Apple Pay account fast. Welcome to our channel. And today, I am going to take you through a detailed step-by-step guide on how to fix a disabled Apple Pay account quickly and without any hassle. A disabled Apple Pay account can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for swift transactions. But don't worry, the solution might be simpler than you think. First, check your account status by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone, then tap on the card with the Disabled Apple Pay notice. Sometimes Apple disables accounts due to security reasons or unusual activity, which means your account is temporarily locked. The next step is to ensure that your Apple ID is signed in properly and all personal information is up to date, because any mismatch can cause Apple Pay to be disabled. Head over to Settings, tap your name at the top, and verify your Apple ID details and payment information. After confirming your details, go back to the Wallet app and attempt to re-enable Apple Pay by selecting the disabled card and follow any prompts to reactivate the service. If you receive any error messages, be sure to read them carefully, as they often provide clues about what needs fixing, such as a payment method issue or verification request. Sometimes the problem might require you to remove the affected card and add it again. To do this, tap on the card and select Remove Card, then add the card back by pressing the plus icon and following the verification steps. In some cases, updating your iOS version can also resolve issues with Apple Pay, so check if you have the latest update installed by going to Settings, General Software Update, and install any available updates. If everything seems in order and your Apple Pay is still disabled, your best option is to contact Apple support directly, as they can provide specific account help and security checks. You can reach them via the Apple support app, chat, or phone for personalized assistance. Remember, always double-check your internet connection, since a weak or unstable connection can sometimes interfere with Apple Pay functioning correctly. That's the comprehensive guide to fixing a disabled Apple Pay account, step by step, from checking your account status and Apple ID information to removing and re-adding your card, plus updating your software and contacting support if needed. Stay calm, follow these steps carefully, and you'll have your Apple Pay up and running smoothly again in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tech solutions and updates.